Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. This is Abdurrahman from FXAltariq.com, and here is what's on my radar this morning, November the 20th, 2015. Let's start off with the Aussie CAD. We are looking at some very good news this morning. At this time, we are pushing up out of the box. We have some news from our good friends out of the European session, which may be causing the Asians to react a little bit and moving over into the Asian stocks. We're looking at about 30 pips or so before we hit our first target off of the Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, it is looking good today. Maybe we will have some big pips coming out from this one, hitting target number 1. Yesterday we had a massive trade off of the Euro Aussie, where we hit for 433 pips. The Euro is also dropping due to our good friend Mr. Draghi, who is talking. I say without any reservation, let him keep on talking. Draghi, talk drag. We're talking about here, we're only about 80 pips out of hitting another target 1 off of the Euro Aussie, which will give us somewhere around 430 odd pips as well. Will that happen today? I don't know. Will it happen on Monday? I don't know. But Draghi, keep on talking, baby. We move over to the Aussie New Zealand, a trade in which we're also in. It is still hovering above the 1.0931 level. That's a good sign, folks. It keeps bouncing off of this zone and pushing towards further. I'm still happy with that, and especially if it closes inside that particular box as well. The Aussie Swissy is another trade that I'm looking at. It's showing its hand. It's crossed over, at least on my chart, on the 0.7284 level. Let's see what type of candle it prints today. It may put us into another Voyager trade, and we are looking at somewhere targets anywhere within between these two zones, somewhere around 200 some odd pips. But let's hold off and let's see what happens today and what happens on Monday with this particular trade off of the Aussie Swissy. Aussie Swissy. Again, the euro dollar, we're still in the green pips on that. Again, Draghi is talking. He pushed this down inside of these pips. I am 100% concerned, confirmed on that one. Keep on talking. This is a good trade. We're always in the good pips on this one. Around 240 pips in the green. Those who are in it continue to hold an excellent trade, as well as the Euro CAD. Small retracement, and we're getting to push back down on the zone as well. The Great Britain yen trade is going to be interesting, guys, as I look at this trend line that come here. Now, what's going to happen is that we have hit this zone at 1.88383 on my level, bounced off of this particular support and resistance line, and it just may be a cause for us to, if we get a nice bearish candle here to print, I will be looking to get inside that trade, and it most definitely confirmation if it clears that trend line that I have so eloquently been showing you guys for the last couple of weeks. Great Britain dollar. Still, there is no naked price action trade for me to hit on this. Maybe if we get a little bounce off of this and see what off of this support and resistance level here and see what happens on that. But again, it's still inside the box. I don't mind trading box trades, and these are good for my only 20 pips trade program that I have set up. But anyway, we'll wait and see what happens on that. And the New Zealand Kiwi, I'm going to enter into a trade next week on this one for sure. It has from the news of the Kiwi as it went up, I think it's still one of those type of trades where you get in and hold and look for taking some targets down in these levels here with the Kiwi against the US dollar, around 200 pips or so. The US Swissy is having some retracement today. Let's see what happens after the Asian session and into the New York session on this particular pair. There's nothing here that's showing me of interest to get inside that particular trade, as well as the Great Britain Swissy trade as well. Again, looking for a retouch on these levels here, and then we can decide, I will decide whether or not there will be a sufficient high probability trade to enter into. If you guys go over to my blog at fxeltariq.com/FX forum, you will see a interesting post that I made, why you should make trading the daily charts part of your Forex strategy. I thought it was a nice article. It's getting some good reviews. I've gotten some positive feedbacks on this. You guys go ahead and read it, and why don't you go ahead and give me a rating on this, as well as if you're not involved, if you're not signed up yet for our weekly updates for signals, for information regarding trading, our courses and what have you, go ahead and sign up there. You'll get that nice report that I put out, the 9 biggest lies in the Forex trading. I think it's powerful for anyone who is currently trading, especially new traders as well. I give solutions to those 9 biggest lies that affect all of us as traders. Here you have some of the top Forex fund managers. Obviously, Mr. Jurasols, he trades the daily charts. Wouldn't see him trading the 15-minute charts or the 4-hour charts. But anyway, read the article and get some information. That's it that I have for this weekend's wrap up. I'll give you a weekend review after the close of the New York session on tonight. And with that said, you guys have a magnificent